gonna do food testing while opening these. So each one we open, we're gonna eat one of them. So because Mommy's here, I'm gonna pick the first one. She's gonna pick the next one. I'm gonna pick this one. Is gonna be ours, but it can only be these two. So I think I'm gonna pick the gummy bear, cause
we're picking the gummy bear first.
I'm bear. I'm the bear.
You're a bear.
And one day we might actually do a music video. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the first step.
But we are not gonna eat this. We have to open this first.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, we're not doing that first. I forgot to tell her this, but I did say the same thing, but I forgot to tell her. We opening this first, and then we eating the freaking. It's
so you want me to help you get it
guys.
started?
Yes.
Okay.
I can open.
So I'm just I'm like Vanna White, your assistant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Open up! Open up wide! Ah! Hanavanya! Calabi! Oh my goodness! And this is season 2. Season 2.
Season 2, yeah.
And
why? Okay, I'll collect the trash over here.
Okay.
In this area.
Oh.
Off screen.
Oh. It's gone. Those are gone.
It fell.
Well, we found some.
What's that? Oh, that's
slime,
cool. Okay.
Should we open the
this
slime
is trash.
Hello. This. I'm gonna open this now. Let's see where it takes us.
These are good for your corkboard.
It's Michael, guys.
We can put those on your corkboard upstairs.
Wait, that Mike? I think it's Mike, guys.
In your room.
I don't know if that's Mike in FGTeev.
I don't know. They're all getting so much older, so it's hard to tell.
I don't know if it's Chase or Mike.
I think it might be Chase.
I'm so confused. Is it Chase or Mike? Let's open the putty.
Oh, you don't want to see which. Okay, you want me to open this so you can see them all?
Yes.
Okay.
I feel like I can actually see.
Oh, look, you've got this one.
What did we get?
And this one. And this one. You can even show those.
Okay, we all know this is Sean with a big hammer. This is Duddy. And this might be Michael or Chase.
So cool.
So, yeah.
Okay.
But let's open the putty first. But I can actually kind of see. Let's open this first.
Oh, do you want me to give a little cut to it?
Nope.
Be super careful with those scissors. They're sharp ones.
Get open, my cutting. Wait, what is?
Why did we pick up 3 of these? Because
oh my god!
Is this super exciting?
I got. Why does he look so? Why does he look like a drawing?
I don't know.
This is season 2 of the I think that panda guy.
That
from Chase.
Oh, he's not like an ape zombie?
I feel like you're right. I think you're right about that.
Yeah.
He's an ape zombie, guys. We are gonna put that up close. We can't do like people just like spinning it with like a type thing. We don't. I'm coding this on my iPad, so we don't know how to edit and we don't know how to skip tracks to other parts.
Right.
But that was actually pretty cool. Let's open the putty. Let's see. Oh, dang it, Paddywhack's on them.
Let's hope Paddywhack doesn't knock over your iPad.
Yep, well, that would be bad, guys.
That would be bad.
Ah!
Technical difficulties.
Yes, technical difficulties. And
so
hopefully, oh, please, Paddywhack.
Box
no.
1 has had
Oh, you can't actually see it. Yeah, box 1 had that. And I hope I was saying this in the store.
This is a keychain.
I was saying this in the store, guys. I hope we don't get all the same thing.
And then the 3 stickers that, well, Truman's opening the putty. There's 2 stickers and, ooh, then the sticker.
We are going to dog putty.
Ooh, that should be fun to
I think
try
that's
at
way
night.
less.
We're about to have a
Fight. Fight.
technical difficulties because
Oh,
of the cat
crap.
and dog.
Oh, crap. Ah, open up.
Okay.
8 shapes. It's saying by 8 shapes.
There's a lot to collect. Wow.
Oh my god, guys.
Turn it around, show them everything you have to collect.
This is way more than jujitsu.
Yeah, lots to collect. For parents who are watching, lots to collect.
Way more jujitsu. And remember, guys, this is a kid channel, so kids can watch this too. Oh my god. I have no idea how we're going to collect all of these.
I don't know. Especially since we bought the last 3 and they were on sale.
Yeah.
So, and then the putty.
Wait, guys! Guys, oh yeah, I opened that duddy.
We did.
Dang
We got
it!
a special duddy today.
But we actually saw the new duddy. The 7th duddy, and he's a chicken.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be old.
Why do we need it open?
Oh.
I put all the trash in it. Silly goose.
Okay, guys, let's put that back.
Okay.
Here, Mommy. Here.
Okay.
Okay,
I
let's
was
see.
trying to keep it nice and neat
Okay,
for you.
let's open this one now.
Okay.
This one I could all open all myself. Give me my kids back. That's a song from Give me my kids back. Fortnite always taking my kids back. That's one of my
It's always taking the kids away from
Fortnite.
and to play Fortnite, huh?
Yeah, season 8 just came out, and guess what? If you want to play chapter 1, you can play chapter 1. There's chapter 2 now, and you gotta play season 6.
Oh my goodness. Oh, things are falling out again. Oh.
This is
The
definitely
shaking is the technical difficulties
Yes.
of our cat and our dog who
Oh my
the dog
god,
is male.
that does not look like Lex, but that is Lex.
Those are cool, Truman.
That is definitely Chase.
Okay.
Let's open the.
Here, let's open that one.
I don't think this is. I think this is new.
Oh,
This one's new.
super
Okay.
exciting.
I'm getting the
super
sizzle.
exciting.
Sizzle.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you can show these stickers off. Look, it's Lex and the mom
Who do I get? Who do I
and
get?
the dad, huh? So
It's
cool.
Daddy. It's Daddy, guys.
Yes.
Okay, I'm glad my pad is right now charging, because that would have been bad. Okay, let's open the putty now.
Okay.
Oh my goodness!
Stop it, friends. Stop.
This is why cats and dogs don't get away.
They struggle to get along. Yes, they
We
do.
got the same slime.
Same putty as we did before.
Oh my god.
We'll have to give this putty to a friend, huh?
Ooh, yeah! Comment down. Well, you can't. Sadly,
A local friend we know.
but if you guys watching this, we might be know how to edit, and it might be like a long time for that.
We're working on it.
Yeah,
We're learning.
we will need. But if you can scroll down to this video, try to find it, because this is actually a good video. We might do more. Okay, now this one, I like 18s, but it feels like a kid drawed on it.
Yeah.
That's what I don't like. They painted it.
Oh, it looks like it's almost like it's swirly or tie-dye or something.
Yeah, like that's what I don't like
Okay.
about it.
And then this is the keychain this
oh
time.
my god, I hope we get a good thing.
And then show off your stickers.
Wait, we forgot to eat.
Show off your stickers.
Ooh. We gotta eat our gummies. We gotta eat the gummies.
Stickers. Okay, so those go down here. And
Pick a gummy.
oh, pick a gummy. Okay, which one do I get?
That
Thank you. Good thing our hands are clean.
Mmm. I'm gonna eat more of these.
Oh, yum. Okay. So, apparently you use a flashlight. We'll have to read the directions on that. So those were gummy bears. These are Swedish fish. I loved Swedish fish as a kid. We used to get them in the summer at the pool for 10 cents a fish.
Hey, did you open the last one? Oh wait, this is.
They're exactly the same.
Wait, so guys, we all know if you're trying to get all of them, you're only gonna get different characters. You're not gonna get.
Wait, we didn't eat this one yet.
Oh crap! Wait, this one we opened. This is our last.
That's our last one, but we still have to eat either Swedish fish or Sour Patch Kids. I
We gotta
really
eat
am a
this
fan of
one.
gummy bears, so that was cool.
Still eating though. Please help us.
Let's do a little slice, and then we'll put these in Ziploc baggies, because we're definitely not eating the whole things today.
Yep. We definitely.
Just a couple.
Slay day.
And after this, I gotta make dinner.
Is it-
Okay, fish for you.
Fishy.
Fish for me.
Oh.
Just like I remember them from summer days at the pool. At Park Swim Club. In the before time. Okay.
I need the scissors. Wait,
Give
never
me a
mind.
You want me to give it a little cut?
Yeah. There we go.
Okay. Awesome. And then after we'll
You have to eat the Sour Patch Kids.
we have to try
That's
the
gonna
Sour
be
Patch
super-
Kids.
Well, they could ask you about watermelon.
You know what's really funny
What?
is that there was a gummy bear.
And I feel like those are their
Inside.
cousins.
The gummy bear is their cousin.
Yeah. No, not the gummy
This
bear.
is the mom.
It is?
Look at it.
Oh yeah, no.
It's the mom from FGTeev.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Help
goodness.
us!
Ooh.
See?
Cat and dog going
Mike.
at it again. Mike.
Mike. Again.
Mm-hmm.
See who we get? This one's new.
He is a piece
my-
of corn.
Now this jackpot.
Jack.
That is jackpot. Should we still open the putty for Metro Editions? Let's just open the putty.
Let's see what the putty is. We might have another friend getting putty their way.
Yep. That I think that's Chase.
Moo.
That's Chase. That's Chase.
Yeah.
That's definitely Chase.
And paint.
I don't know how we all gonna that's
With
definitely
Lexi.
Lex. And you don't even know more. You only know the
Whoa! It's all three of the boys. I think Mike, Chase, and who's the little one?
Oh wait. I thought you were gonna say Daddy, but that's Sean.
Sean, that's his name.
You got D plus. You got D plus.
I got a D.
No, you
A
got
D plus.
A.
How about a B minus? Since
No,
I
you
was
got
so
A.
close
You
to
got
being
A.
right.
You got A. You got A.
I
Because
got
that's
A.
and you can watch A before S.
Oh, interesting. That's a whole new thing for me. That they would go backwards in their words. You have a bunch of new.
I was gonna give you an A with.
If we
I
have
was gonna
actual
give you
school
an
this year, maybe I should look for an FGTeev book bag.
High five. Yes. That's
High five on that.
jackpot.
So, looking on Amazon.
Same.
See if we can find an FGTeev book bag. And what did we have
Well,
last year?
We're gonna show you
We had Yokai Watch last
Okay.
year, huh?
I want to tell you something. I'm really glad we got the egg chase.
Yes, that was super cool.
I really wanted him in this whole video. I wanted the egg chase. Well, you know how I knew there was this egg chase was in season 2? Because FGTeev had a new video of that baby video where it looked pixelated, and they put this as an edit and put it right in the shelves, even though they just an edit of their toys.
Yes.
But
all right. So
wait,
yes.
Before we end the video, we're gonna ask something. What's my
Here,
slime?
we didn't eat this yet.
Okay, we are gonna give away these slime.
Oh,
And-
it's watermelon. It's not the little people. I like the little people better.
I told you that, Mommy. Did you not hear me? Rewind.
I like the little people Sour Patch Kids that look like little kids.
Eat it. Why do you not like it? Better not give this away. I like these.
Mm.
You know, they show on the packing watermelon, right?
They do.
Why did you not realize it was the watermelon one?
I didn't realize.
Mommy, I told you that. This was the watermelon one.
That was super sour.
What?
And watermelon. All in one. And my dentist would be very upset about all this gummy candy. That's a cat and a dog, and you're going to hear them fight again. We apologize. They're still getting used to each other. The cat is not a super big fan of the dog, but the dog really wants to be friends with the cat, and it's just not going well.
But Mommy,
Yes.
which toy
Yes,
did you
Truman.
like most?
I really like this toy here with the corn on the cob. It feels perfect for summertime.
I got 2 that I like.
You got 2 that you like?
But I just gotta say,
Yes?
thanks for joining me and eating the candy.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Because it's just for the video, you have to eat the candy if you're gonna join this video, okay? If you don't eat the candy, you're leaving this video.
Well, I ate all the candy,
Yeah, you
so I
did.
guess I get to stay.
Yeah, you do.
All right. Wanna tell
But
yes.
if you want to give out the shout out and say you have to eat
Oh.
1 more of these. So I'm gonna do the ending and the shout out.
You could do the ending and the shout out because I'm not eating another watermelon.
Give a
Sour
shout
Patch.
out to Mia. That's my best friend, and I guess Maddie. That's my shout out. That's my shout out.
Ah.
Okay, Mason might be Mason's not a shout out yet because he always yells a lot.
Okay. So
But when he
Mia
gets-
and Maddie, shout out to you.
Yeah,
I guess
shout
you're
out to
getting the putty.
Yes,
Yeah.
Those are
the
the
extra putties.
you guys are getting the. Well, Mia, if you don't want to share with the putty you're gonna get, then it's okay. And if you don't like it, you can give it to Mason, Mia, because people might even not find this video. Only my best friends will, so maybe.
Yeah.
Because my channel is not a big view yet.
Not yet.
But maybe if
But
someone
maybe.
do like videos and scroll down to this video, you might actually enjoy it.
Yeah.
And guys, we all posting more of this.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This gummy bear. Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
Gummy bears. I wish we could edit right now. Right now,
All right,
if we
so-
could edit, we would zoom in to this. We
All
can't
right.
zoom in. But-
So are we wrapping it up? Wrap it
yeah,
up.
but we forgot to.
We forgot to what?
say who my favorite characters are.
Oh, who's your favorite character?
Okay, I forgot to say.
Nope, you already said that.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I did?
Mm-hmm. Before the shout-outs.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Let me just say it again. Oh, if we could
Wait, give your favorite toy first. What's yours?
Okay,
Mine is
I
the
got
corn
two. I got
on the cob,
two.
human. Okay.
The only thing I don't like about it is my favorite. I'm glad it's an ape.
But he doesn't like the tie-dye.
Yeah, I like the wet stuff. I just don't like the tie-dye on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's just not. But these characters, well, I just realized something, guys.
What?
Mommy, if you can actually see, look at them.
They're the same.
They puddles except he's corn.
He's corn.
I thought we were all gonna get the same characters, but guys, we didn't, and guys, I still don't know if we're gonna get more of these TV stuff. Cause
These were the last 3.
yeah, and Lily and well, let's just say this is the only way to get season 2, so I don't know how we're gonna get more season 2. We gotta look on the internet and go look. And then we're gonna come back to you when we get some these kind of figures.
Okay.
Like season 1 or season 2, because we don't even have all of them. But the character I really want to get, let's go look into season 2. In season 2,
Okay.
God, why is this so hard to open? Is
Mm-hmm.
I really kind of want to get actually this ape chase.
Oh, I bet so. Is he a special one?
This one.
Ah,
Right there, guys.
Right there.
And I kind of want to get Gamer Brat. Yeah, I want to get him.
Oh.
I want to get Gamer
Gamer
Brat.
brat.
Yeah.
But you're not a brat.
No, I'm not.
Nope. You're not a
No.
brat.
He just called that because he really says, like, I want to start at the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
He's not actually a brat actually in his videos.
Right.
Why did they call him Gamer Brat?
I don't know.
We are wondering that because if people who watch FGTeev, he's not a gamer brat. He just said I want to start at the beginning, like this one.
Ah.
And he does not look like in the videos. What the heck? Okay, I give this figure a 0 stars because he doesn't look like that in the movie.
Okay.
But when I will... Okay, now that's a silver baby that I really want. Guys, that one I really want. And the one I want to get is at Silver. I don't want to get Lego Ape Chase because if I get Lego Ape Chase, I'm gonna kind of be sad. This one, I think, is really rare to get, so it's really hard to get, guys. But oh my God!
Technical difficulty.
Difficulty. But guys, I do want the Talkie Heroes. Wait. Okay, guys, we'll show you what we got from this. Which one was it? Look. It looked way different. Look at that.
Ape Chase color mix-up.
But this one looks way different than the...
Well, a lot of times the pictures do look a little bit different. And then we got...
But I'm really excited to get this
Commander
one.
Corn.
Yeah, we got Commander Corn.
And we got...
Wait a second. Wait. His name is Commander Corn. Hey, Corn.
Oh, no. This is
Joke.
Commander Corn. And this one is Colonel on the Cob.
Corn. He doesn't
And there
even
go the
have
pets
cob.
again. All
He
right.
doesn't even have cob on it. But
He looks like a corn on the cob, so that's probably why.
I hope we get the Golden Child.
Okay, that would be super cool.
The Crybaby.
Well, we can continue
Big
looking at this
baby.
after the video's over.
Oh yeah, but guys, I really want Big Baby. I kind of want the Golden Baby. Not good. I like Cry Baby.
I want the ones that glow in the dark.
Oh, I don't really want him. I
Toxic Beans glows in the dark.
want Zombie Brat.
Toxic Neil, who looks like a
I don't
green
want him. I want Captain Hook.
beaver.
And then a crew. I would like Captain Hook. And then a crew. I am your Captain Hook.
Okay, so that's the one that Truman wants. All right, ready
Captain Hook.
to wrap it up?
I want all of them.
I know you want all of
I
them.
want all three
I
of
am
them.
Unsurprised. Color me unsurprised
They
that you
look
would
all
like all
so
of them.
cool.
They're all so cool.
How much is it? 1, 2. We all want to count them for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 42, 40,
3,
40,
4,
45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
40.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Wow.
Wow! And we got 3, so how much does that?
So, if we have 46
And we
and
got
we
3.
take away 3,
So does that mean we got 40, 43?
yes! Nice job on the
So we
math
just
skills,
need
friend.
43, guys. But that's gonna be we have to post a lot of videos, guys.
We will, in
And
order to
guys,
get them
1
all.
second.
Okay.
1 second until we say goodbye and do all.
Normal evening stuff. Yep. You want me to say it? Oh, not me. Oh no, not eating a watermelon so I can say the ending. Come on now. You're not tricking me that way.
Okay, now I can say it.
Go ahead.
I'm not gonna say tricking you guys like Fluffy's gonna fall asleep, so hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I'm not gonna trick you guys just to hit the like button or like a spider's gonna hunt on your wall. I'm not gonna say that stuff. That's just stupid and lying to your viewers. So I'm gonna say hit that subscribe button. Maybe we might actually show if we get out like buttons like all the time.
Mm-hmm.
We might actually show it and hang it on a wall.
Woo woo.
In our bedroom that we. Guys, stop!
All right,
I
let's wrap it
command
up.
you to stop.
They're not stopping, so let's wrap it up.
Okay,
before
okay.
the cat and the dog become the show.
This one is normal, so I don't like it. I like the ape. I only like the red stuff on him, but I
Okay.
do like we got an ape.
Why do you like the red? Because
My favorite color.
what's your favorite color?
And I like the corn because
That's your favorite?
corn.
That's your favorite corn. That's your favorite vegetable.
Yeah, it does taste good. I want to try it, like corn on the
Yeah.
cob. And guys, I really want to tell you something. This is actually really cool to me because usually I don't really hold figures that much. And when I see it in videos, I just want to feel what it feels like. So I wonder what he feels like because it showed it in Game of Brat's video when he says because he said, I got a Game of Brat toy because I'm that cool. So yeah. The Game of Brat I really want to get is, but the Robot Captain Hook I really want to get, guys. That's the one.
Robot Captain Hook.
But I think these are the color ones, actually. Some of these are the color ones.
Mm-hmm.
I really think this is hard to get, guys. What is he called? Silver ape chase. I want to get that ape chase.
I want to get ape chase.
And guys, I really want Demon Ape Chase, guys.
Demon Ape Chase?
Yeah, Demon Ape Chase. Ape Chase. Yeah, the regular one is just Ape Chase. But guys, we are gonna stop this video because I'm gonna like get too addicted. I'm getting too addicted of this. Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Well, we kind of already ate all of them.
Oh. In the candy form?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
Alright.
Oh, my corn on the cob.
Alright.
Corn on the cob. Get
Until
it, guys?
next time, friends.
Yep, and when we get more of these figures in, say, Season 2, we are going to show you guys more of Season 2 and Season 1.
Awesome.
We
Truman the Good Human signing
off. Wait, off, wait.